Hi, have you or a loved one been injured in a truck accident or an 18-wheeler accident here in the Houston, Texas area? Well, my name is attorney Reshard Alexander, and I'm also known as the Big Rig Bull, Texas truck accident lawyer. I help injury victims receive the care and compensation they deserve when they've been injured by the negligent driving of truck drivers or the faulty operations of motor carrier companies in the Houston, Texas area. If you've been injured in a truck wreck, give me a call today at 713-766-3322. That's 713-766-3322. Additionally, you can call me toll-free anywhere in the great state of Texas or nationally at 1-800-688-7551. That's 1-800-688-7551. Go to my website, HoustonTruckAccident.lawyer. That's HoustonTruckAccident.lawyer. And pick up your free ebook titled Texas Car, Motorcycle, and Truck Accident Law, What the Injured Must Know. I wrote this with you in mind. So go to my website, HoustonTruckAccident.lawyer. Pick up your free ebook today under the Resources tab. Give me a call today at 713-766-3322, and let's discuss your 18-wheeler case. As always, I hope that you and your loved ones have a blessed day.